Welcome to another episode of Delicious Live TV. Your host, Kuya Miguel. Well, what's up, everybody? Welcome back again to another episode of Delicious Live TV. I have something for everybody. Are you a Moon Ice fan? Are you a Volkswagen fan? You like to build things? You like to customize things? You like to build model kits and customize Hot Wheels at the same time? And it just so happen you're a Volkswagen Classic air-cooled fan. Well, I have something for everyone. This is a 1/24 scale from Hasegawa Hobby Kits. It's the Moon Ice Volkswagen Type 2 microbus for all of you. This model kit is authorized by Moon of Japan Incorporation. I purchased this from Moon Ice Equip Company in Norwalk, California. Santa Fe Springs to be exact, and they set me up with a very good deal on this one. This is only from Japan, and it just to happen it's available from their place. So let's open it up, see what's up. Let's we go on and I'll show you what's the design. Everything's in Japanese. Some more pictures from the other panel side. More from this side. Look at that, how beautiful that Volkswagen bus is. It said Moon Ice Speed Equipment Custom Accessories Go with Moon. Alright, let's get right to it. So there you go. Everything is covered in plastic bags, plastic body, styrene plastic material to be exact. And you have all the necessary parts that you need to build the bits and pieces. There'll be chrome parts and some of these decals that everybody wants. How awesome that is. Look at that, how nice it is. And we have instructions. Everything's in Japanese. Oh, there's a little bit of history here, but if you get it, just get it off from them while it still lasts. Well, get it from Moon Ice now before it's gone. I highly recommend to get it now. So there you go, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this mini video of the Moon Ice Volkswagen bus, and I also have the stickers for all of you. Let me on my other style of video is like covering cars and going to diecast places, and this video is dedicated for all the Moon Ice fans in any form, diecast, real ones, or you just you like Moon Ice and anything in general. So there you go, everyone. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Once again, this is your Kuya Miguel for another episode of Delicious Live TV. So there you have it. Hope you enjoyed that video. Once again, this is your Kuya Miguel for another episode of Delicious Live TV.